Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss Josie on bike collapse. This is sad and heartbreaking that Josie on injured in a bike during a traffic collision. So for moving to this sad news, it is my request to subscribe my channel by pressing bell icon. Josie on moon singer, he started the he uh, said event in 2012. He was born on 1977. He was just 45-year old and in North Carolina in a traffic collision he badly injured when his bike collapsed in a truck. Now his friends, family members, and fans across the globe are sending prayers for the players that he got badly injured in North Carolina. And now this news is trending and spreading like fire of forest across the globe, and a lot of netizens are asking about the conditions and praying for speedy recovery of the sad person. He got injured in a collapse, and this is sad and heartbreaking. Everybody is eager to know more about health, and many are asking that when he left the hospital and he was reached hospital in a speedy recovery service van, and hospital sources say that he got badly injured in this accident in North Carolina. The more details are on the way. As soon as we will receive, we will share with you. Stay tuned, subscribe my channel, like this video, and share with friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.